Regan, you want to open the dumpling?
Yeah.
Yeah, she does.
Okay. You want to take off the wrapping?
Yeah. Can you do it? Do
Do you
it.
want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Wait,
Look,
hopefully
we kind of did a drop off at the perfect time.
Yeah.
What color do you hope we get?
I hope I get white,
We just
rainbow, green, pink, and yeah. I want the glitter mostly, and then the white, then the green, then the pink. Okay. It's a little open.
kind of working on taking away the leftovers.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna open it. Let's hope for the glitter. Okay, close your eyes. We got the one I wanted. It's the blue one. Where do you squish it?
Did you let her open it?
We both did. She couldn't really open it. It was hard.